YouTube channel, Cars Wars Pack. Today we're talking about a legendary classic car that has remained an icon in the automotive industry for decades. And now in 2025, news and rumors are circulating about its modern comeback. Yes, we're talking about the Citroën 2CV, a car that was once known for its simplicity, affordability, and practicality, but is now expected to return in a completely new and modern form. The original Citroën 2CV was launched in 1948 and became incredibly popular, especially in Europe. Its minimalist design, soft suspension, and low price made it an ideal choice for the masses. Production of the 2CV ended in 1990, but over the years, enthusiasts and experts have repeatedly speculated about a possible revival. Now in 2025, reports suggest that Citroën is working on a next-generation version, possibly an electric one, that will retain the essence of the classic 2CV while incorporating cutting-edge technology. The expected 2025 Citroën 2CV will likely feature a fully electric powertrain, following Citroën's latest design philosophy seen in the Olli concept car. The new model is rumored to have a compact and lightweight design, making it highly efficient in urban environments. Advanced battery technology could give it a range of around 250 to 300 kilometers on a single charge, with fast charging capabilities for added convenience. While the classic 2CV was famous for its simplistic interior, the 2025 version might feature a minimalist yet high-tech cabin, possibly with a digital dashboard, modern infotainment system, and eco-friendly materials. Citroën has been focusing on sustainable mobility solutions, and bringing back the 2CV as an electric city car fits perfectly with that vision. However, no official confirmation has been made yet regarding its launch date, pricing, or final specifications. Some experts believe that Citroën might unveil this new 2CV concept later this year, with production potentially starting in 2026. If launched, the new 2CV could compete with other budget-friendly electric cars, offering a unique retro-modern appeal to consumers. Whether Citroën will stay true to the original 2CV's charm or introduce a completely new design remains to be seen. But one thing is certain, the return of the 2CV, even in an electric form, would be a nostalgic yet exciting move for automotive enthusiasts worldwide. Stay tuned for more updates on this and other exciting car news.